Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a lightning effect like this one. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new canvas, just ignore that one, and you're going to fill it in with white. Alright, there we go. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get your brush that should have spacing set to 1, and it should be at 1.00 hardness. Then you're going to drag then you're going to drag your brush in a lightning-ish sort of shape. Then you're going to go to blur, Gaussian blur, set that to 100. Alright, filters. Render, clouds, difference clouds. Set the detail to 15 and X and Y should be full. Hit OK. Once you got that, you don't want the lightning black, you want it white. So you're going to go to colors, invert. There you go. Once you've got that, you're going to go to colors, levels, and you have 3 different triangles. What you're going to do is drag this triangle over here till you get it nice, and match this triangle over. Alright, there's our lightning. Colorize and set it to whatever color you want. I like a dark bluish purple with saturation set to full. Gives it more of a unique lightning look. Hit OK, and there you have it. A real looking lightning strike. Well, that's me. Check out my channel. Have a couple views of my other tutorials and stuff, and maybe comment, rate and subscribe. See you later.